Hello, ma'am.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I am fine, thank you. And what about you?
I'm also fine. So, what is your name?
My name is Anu. And what about you? What is your name?
My name is Shivangi Tomar. Where are you from?
I am from Bodok. And where are you from?
I'm from Wajidpur. So, do you study?
Yes, I study. And what about you?
Yes, of course, I am studying. In which class or in which school and college do you study?
I, st- I am pursuing my graduation from Lucknow,
Which college?
Himalayan.
Okay.
And what about you?
Yes, I am doing MBA from Gulgotia University.
Where is it in?
It is Greater Noida,
Great
nearby
University.
Gautam Budh University.
And, have you ever visited there?
Yes, I have visit there last 1 week.
No. With whom do you go there?
I go there from with my father and cousin brother.
What about your hobbies?
My hobbies are playing and dancing, singing, etc. And what about you?
My hobby is to listen music.
What do you want to be?
I want to join the defense. And what about you?
I want to be a manager in company.
And what are you doing to become that?
At that time, I am doing nothing. But after 1 month, I am pursuing my PG, like as post graduation. Then after that,
And when did you pass your 12th?
I passed my 12th last 3 years ago, like as 2021.
And
And
where
what
have you
about
passed your 12th from?
I passed my 12th from Chodhki Singh Divya Public School.
Where is it in?
It is in Kotana Road. And what's about you?
I
Where have
have
you
passed
passed?
my 12th from Indian Public School.
And where is it?
So,
Bro. Okay. So, uh,
what are you fond of?
fond of I'm fond of pets.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a pets.
And what is its name?
Its name is Sweetie. And tells who are you fond of
I am fond of my father.
and who are sick of.
I am sick of health
And why are you fond of your father?
because I love my father a lot. I can't count.
Okay.
And what about you?
I also love my father because he works very hard for me and my my brother also.
Okay. And do you have any brother?
Yes, I have two brothers.
Okay.
And what's about you?
Yes, I have brother.
One or two?
One.
Okay. What does your brother do nowadays?
He is doing sports from there.
Dehradun. Okay. In which college or
ITM.
IT?
Chakrathon. And what about you? What does your brother do?
Okay, I have two brothers. One of them study in also Gulgotia from BBA sides, and one of them study in 12th class from Johar Public School in
Okay.
Badot.
Okay. And what about your mother?
She is good and she is a housewife. And so what's about you? How is your
She is
mother?
also fine and she is a housewife.
Okay.
With whom do you like to spend your time?
And firstly, I spend time with my mother, and secondly, I spend time with my pets.
As you are saying, your hobby is to play cricket.
Yeah.
Okay. So how many hours do you play cricket?
Nowadays, I'm not playing because no one are not playing with me because everyone are busy in her studies and his studies also. So I'm not playing cricket, but I'm playing indoor games only, like as more mobile games. And so, what about you? You are playing.
I don't like to play cricket.
Okay. So, what are you doing in a free time?
I like to do in my free time. I like to listen to music only.
Okay. So, firstly, I think you love the Punjabi songs.
Yes,
So, why are you fond of Punjabi song?
because I like to listen this song.
You feel like very happy or not?
Very.
Okay.
When I free, so I like to listen music.
Okay.
And what about you?
I also listen music in free time.
Do you like to watch movies?
Sometimes I like watch movies,
So which kind of movies do you like to watch?
only action movies, like South movies.
And which is your favorite movie?
Not favorite. I like all movies. And what's about you?
No, I don't like to watch movies
Why?
because I don't know.
Okay. After getting your goal, you would you like to go to out of the country?
No, I would not like to go to out of the country
Why you do not would look like to go to out of
because
the
I
country?
don't like to go anywhere out of country because I love my country. So
Okay.
that's
Nice to meet you.